There is a wealth of metadata held for each standard, and this can be found on the product page. Key information about the standard is displayed at the top section. This includes the document number, status, title, publisher, latest version and summary of the standard. The i icon also denotes whether the document is being watched for alerts of changes, with a grey eye showing that the standard is watched and the green eye indicating that it is not currently being watched. More information can be found by expanding each of the accordion sections. Find relevant information such as country, technical committee, page count, various ICS codes and content within product details. Latest version, historic editions, red lines, consolidated versions, amendments and corrigendums can all be found within versions. Within the equivalencies section, adoptions of identical equivalencies are found. In addition to this, if the green document icon appears next to any of the equivalencies, you can simply click on that link to access the full text standard. You will also be directed to the equivalency section through the message at the top of the page if you subscribe to an equivalent standard. The Superseder section shows you any documents that have been superseded by the standard being viewed here. All standards that are cross-referenced within the full text version are listed here in the cross-reference section. Click on the hyperlinks to view the standard if required. If you are subscribed to the document, you can download a copy or view online. If a document is not available, you can request access and follow prompts to inquire about getting access to it. If you have any links, tags or bookmarks against the record, these will be displayed in the right-hand panel. Any comments will be shown either in the right-hand panel or at the top of the page, depending on the settings selected.